I ran into this last week, as well fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments on the Xbox app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update the Xbox app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Xbox app installed. Go to your device's app store and check for updates. An outdated app can sometimes cause payment issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app's cache can resolve many issues. On your device, go to Settings, find the Xbox app, and select Clear Cache. This can help refresh the app's data. Step 4. Check for service outages. Sometimes payment issues are due to Xbox Live service outages. Visit the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing issues that might be affecting payments. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried everything and the issue persists, reach out to Xbox support. They can provide specific assistance based on your account and payment history. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issue quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions.